Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in previous video we saw how we can create an AI agents in .NET 9 using Microsoft Agent Framework, and there we created AI agent language translator. So in this way we created AI agent for basic purpose. Now this time to go beyond of it, and everybody loves to see that if I create an AI agent to generate website templates like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or other AI platforms. Okay, so let's see how we can do this, and I am also eager to know that that will work or not, or you will definitely love this video, or you will be amazed that your AI agent will generate the code snippet, uh, or whenever you will run the HTML template, then your website will be looks like a full-fledged website, or it's totally based on prompting, like how good you write the prompt to AI agent, the more good code will be generated by the AI. So let's see how we can implement it in the existing project. So first, let me remove uh, unnecessary AI agents so that we will uh, work with the only single AI agent. Okay. Now, what I will do here, simply I will remove these workflows and or sequential manner. Now, first let me rename this AI agent. I will rename it as a HTML CSS uh, template agent, like this, or and I want to give some instructions to this AI agent so that it will be beneficial for us, and we will assign the task to this AI agent. Okay, so simply, so okay, so my GitHub Copilot is suggesting me something prompt that you are an expert web developer who creates. Okay, so this prompt is generated by GitHub Copilot. I hope this prompt will help him to understand like what this AI agent will do. Okay, now what I will do simply. I will run this application, and guys, I just want to tell you that whenever you work with the ChatGPT DeepSeek, there you give some prompt to that AI tools that please create this website, and this website should be including these features as well, some images, some color combinations as well. So here we will the same thing do here. Okay, so just run this application, or we will see that that how this AI agent will efficient. It totally depends on your prompting skills. The more powerful your prompt, the more beautiful website will be designed by it. So let me create some prompt for it. So let's see, generate uh, college, not college. Okay, generate college uh, website template in HTML CSS. It should be uh, very eye-catchy website, and use excellent icons, and color combination should be white, pink, yellow, or black, gray, etc. or website should be responsive. It will be single page template in HTML, CSS, and navigation bar should be animative. Or what can I do? Explain here. Or this website should have four sections, five sections. Okay, and simply I think that this prompt is good enough to explain our requirements for this website. And let's see what will code snippet will be generated by this AI agent, and I expecting something very good from it. Or I have explained each requirements, each basic requirements that a website requires. Okay, so the website is template is done here. Okay, so you can see here that the website is template is generated by this AI agent. Simply I will create an index file in the Visual Studio Code and simply paste it here. And if you run this application, if you run this page, then you will see that mm, okay, so in this way it created the basic template of college website, and the color combin and it follows the color combination as well that I gave to it. And I hope guys you love this uh, AI agent as well. I already told you that it totally depends on your prompting skills and the instructions that you give to your AI agent. And please do it by on yourself, and you will definitely love this thing. And you can show this project in your resume and in your like everywhere, and everybody will love this thing. Or it is totally similar to the chat gpt or other AI tools. I hope you love this video and you love this session regarding uh, website generation by the AI agents in .NET 9. Or thank you for watching this video till here. Or till then, take care guys. Bye bye. Have a good day.